I'm Dee.
And I'm Jay.
And we're from Hockey Studios.
We'd love you folks to join us as we create this Parrot macaw inspired puppet.
We're gonna need your input along the way. And this means from our fur color choices, which we've already had you voting on, to what our end features will be, from beak size, eye color. This will all be impacted by your choices.
There have been 16 fur color combinations to choose from so far. We have now shortlisted it down to 8, which we will be sharing with you shortly. From there, we are going to be shortlisting it down to a final 4, and from there, we are going to have our color. And we're going to need your input along the way with a lot of other decisions with design and concept and that sort of thing.
So, following this here is going to be our time-lapse video of our foam core build. Now, if you're finding the time-lapse is a little too fast, we urge you to go to our YouTube page where you can slow down the playback and you can see it in a nice slow manner.
Keep in mind, we are also going to be having this pattern available on our Etsy store, so stay posted for that as well.
So please join along. Hope you enjoy what you see, and who knows, let's see what we can all create together.
Happy building, everybody.